Hello everyone, welcome back to Blog once again. So today we will discuss about the scope and lifetime of variable in C, two key concepts of the that decided how and where variable are accessible and how long they exist in memory. So have you ever declared a variable inside a function and wondered why it disappear when the function ends, or how global variable stay alive throughout the program? That's because of scope and lifetime. So in this video, we'll break down both concept with example. So scope means where in the program a variable can be accessed. So there are various type of scopes. First one is local scope, that is a variable declared inside a function or a block. I'll explain what is variable declared inside a function or block. The second one is global scope, variable declare outside all function. Then third one is function scope, label we used with go to have scope inside the function. And the fourth one is file scope, variable declare with the static at file level or visible only within that file. So I'll create a file that is scope.c, and I have written a program. I'll just copy paste it to save your time. Don't worry about the code. I'll put it in a repo, and I'll put my GitHub repo in the description so that you can go and check it. So this is our scope.c program, and here this is like our standard input output library, and this is we are declaring a global scope, means we are declaring this variable outside the function, that is the global variable. And here we can see that local var, that is we are declaring this inside the function, that is local variable. And global variable we can access it from anywhere, access from any function. Suppose we have written here 10 more function, as we are declaring it a global variable, we can call this global variable inside any function. And local variable you cannot call, like for example, suppose you have a function display, the other function I'll comment it here, that is display. So you cannot call this local variable inside this global display function, but you can call this global variable inside this display function. So let's run it and see how it behaves. Either we get the global variable or not, and what it is printing. So gcc global, sorry, scope.c hyphen o scope. So we compile it. Now we will run it. Oh. So what we'll do, we'll put \n everywhere so that we can clearly see the output. So let's clear it and let's compile it again and let's run it. So yeah, see. So the local is 10 and global is 100. So we declare global as a variable, global variable outside the function, and we are accessing it. So that is the local variable and global variable. Now we'll move to the second part, lifetime of a variable. Lifetime means how long a variable exists in a memory during program execution. So we'll create a file that is lifetime.c, and I've written a code. I'll just copy paste it here. So this is our program that tell us like how long a variable exists in a memory. So basically there are various types of lifetime. First one is automatic. We have learned this in a previous video. So it created like auto, created when function is called, destroy when function end, static, created once and exists till the program end, global, created at a start of the program and destroy at program termination. So what it does, this program we are using the static keyword int count. So static, what it does, it retain its value every time across the multiple calls. Multiple calls means we are calling the demo function again and again here. And what it will does, at starting level count is 0. So when we call this first time, it will increase the value count 1, 2, 3. So it should print 1, 2, 3, right? So we will run it and we'll see like how it behaves. So GCC lifetime dot c hyphen o lifetime. So okay, let this rename it lifetime. So we rename it and what we'll do, we'll run it again. So we'll compile it. Now we'll run it dot lifetime. See, so we'll get 1, 2, 3. So key point to remember: scope, where the variable can be accessed; lifetime, how long the variable exists in a memory; and local variable, short time, limited scope; global variable or static variable, long lifetime, wider scope. So you can use, if you declare a variable global, you can use it in anywhere in the program. And that's the difference between scope and lifetime of a variable in C. Understanding this helps you manage memory better and avoid error in large program. So in this video, we learn about scope and lifetime. So if this video help you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more C programming tutorial. See you into the next one. Thank you.